So, number one is that India is very nascent, at a very nascent stage in its development, whether you talk about shopping malls or whether you talk about retail. And when you see around the world, a lot of best practices are yet to be adopted in the country. Starting with purely the ease of doing business. So it is true that it's much easier to do business in many other countries, including the Southeast Asian markets, not just UK, US, and Europe, but even closer home, in our neighboring countries also, doing business is easier. So some of the best practices of public policy, regulations, ease of doing business, they need to be brought in, and that's currently happening. The second part is that in terms of development of a shopping mall, I think keeping customer at the center of it. And there are two customers as far as a developer is concerned. One is the retailer, and second, of course, is the end consumer. So initially, I'm talking about the end consumer, keeping the end consumer at the center of it. And then next, keeping the retailer at the center of it. How do you create a very solid proposition and then look at the profitability and revenue? I think that will lead to shopping development of shopping malls, which will be much more sustainable in the long run. And there are few shopping malls in the country which have followed that process, and we know that they continue to run very successfully over the last 5 years. There are very good stories. So, so it's about that focus on the customer that will become very important. And as you continue to focus on the customer, it's about the customer of tomorrow. So I really enjoyed the first presentation where you're talking about omni-channel experience. So bricks and mortar retailers are learning gradually to bring in that omni-channel experience. We are still quite far away in that journey. And while that is happening, I think the stories around malls really making a good attempt at omni-channel experience, they are still very few and far between in the country. So that is the second point in terms of the customer experience, the journey that malls need to undertake on serving the customer of tomorrow. And the third aspect is about, I think, models which will work. So revenue sharing models, greater levels of transparency in everything that you do between the developer and the investor, that becomes critical too. If the investor has to have the confidence that yes, the returns will be there in the medium to long term. So these are the three aspects which are, I think, very important.